Okay, we're live right now. Yes, we are. Okay, before we do anything, we're gonna check Forex Factory if you have any high impact news coming out. Okay, we have final GDP coming out at 10:30 p.m. Yeah, we have kind of a medium to low impact news coming out at 10:30 p.m. and then 11 p.m. we have Powell speaking. So let's see what's happening on the weekly and daily time frame first on gold. Um, okay, looking at the weekly time frame on gold, we are pretty bearish on the weekly time frame. Um, yeah. Okay, looking at the daily time frame, we haven't really. We tried coming down, attempting to come reach this support level at 1808, but looks like we're not going to be reaching that level now. We are currently pushing bullish. This might be a retracement for us to potentially drive bearish, but we still haven't broken the previous daily candle high, so I think we have potential to move bearish at the moment. But we are currently bullish on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame is bearish. Not too sure about the direction of this candle, but if we keep on pushing this daily bullish momentum, we could potentially try to attempt to break the previous daily candle high, but we'll see how that plays out. So that's that. Now we'll see what's happening on the forward time frame. Oops, what's happening here? Okay, as usual, we're gonna start with clean charts. Looking at the forward time frame, we can see that this current forward candle is pretty bullish. We've broken above the previous. How many? Yeah, it's pretty bullish. Not sure why this is forming at the moment. We have 2 hours until this forward candle closes. We are attempting to come out to this support level at 1828. So this is sorry, resistance level at 1828. But we looks like we're currently rejecting this resistance area actually at 1826. So yeah, I think based on the forward time frame and the daily time frame, we are definitely bullish at this point. Now let's open to the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame. See if we can have any entries. Okay, let's start on the 1 hour candle. This 1 hour candle started about 3 minutes ago. We have rejected this resistance area at around 1826, 1825.60. Um, this is a pretty strong 1 hour candle move, so I think we're bound to retrace a little bit at this point. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, if we're gonna retrace on this 1 hour candle, it looks like we have formed our most recent support level is 1814 right over here. Okay, if we, this previous 1 hour candle is 100 plus pips. Uh, so not too confident taking buys at this point, because if I have to take buys over here, we have I think for better buys we're gonna wait for candle the 1 hour candle to come up above 1827.18. That would be a better at this point. I think better buys are gonna be above 1827 20 area right up over here. If you take buys above 1827.20 area, we could potentially come up to this next resistance level, which is at 1814 on the 1 hour time frame right over here. We can have a huge move coming up to 1840, or come up to retest the support level area at 1834, 1835 area right over here. So this right over here would be our no trade range. I think I think it's I think we could potentially correct this move over here. We haven't really broken the previous daily candle high, so I think this is potentially a retracement for us to push bearish at the moment. But right now we don't have any confirmations as yet. So let's see what's happening on the 30-minute time frame. Um, right here. As usual, we're gonna start off with fresh charts. Looking to the left, we have a resistance area right over here at around 1825.50. So we have this previous 30-minute candle waking up above this resistance area. We have price really rejecting this area over here. Not sure if this current 30-minute candle is going to push through it, but we could potentially grab liquidity above the previous candle wick high. We could potentially grab liquidity over there and then potentially head back down at that point. But I think it would be ideal if we can have some confirmation on the lower time frame. This is a pretty big 100 plus pip move, so I think we're bound to get some retracement at this point. Our most recent support level area is at 1814.50, which was formed 2 30-minute candles ago. But I think looking to the left, we have potential to come down, potentially retesting 1820, 1822, actually 1822.50. Yeah, 1823 or 1822.50 would be an ideal area to be retesting, or even 1822. So right now, above 1825.50, I'm not looking to take buys as yet. Our next resistance area, if where price could go to, if we keep on pushing this bullish momentum, would be up at 1828.50, right up over there. So we could potentially attempt to break the previous candle high, and then we could pop straight down below. So if we start flipping bearish, this could potentially be this could potentially be a fake out. So I'm really looking at taking sells at this point, but this is an advanced entry. Um, the thing about taking sells over here is we haven't really uh i- we don't have any confirmations. That's the thing about taking sells in this area. We really don't have any confirmations. But why I'm really planning on taking sells on the break of this candle low right here. Um, the reason being, whereas price pushed up, it didn't respect any of this resistance area. It didn't respect this. Didn't respect any of it. But this previous candle wick over here respected this resistance area at 825.50. So If price has a lot of bullish momentum and then it respects the resistance area, if it broke above all the other resistance area and respects the resistance area, what are the chances that it could pop down at this point? So, so I think we could potentially grab liquidity, and then we could see potentially a pop back down. So, uh, there we go. We are attempting to break above the previous 30-minute candle high now, which is also the previous 1 hour candle high. So I think at this point I'm going to be taking sales at this point. Um, okay, so this is kind of an early entry. Um, really anticipating this to be a fake out. My stops are just above the previous candle over here. Um, I think I'm gonna be securing profits at 15 pips.